I'm the one
until this
interviewing
is
you.
downloaded. But
wait,
I'm down.
wait.
No,
It's just it's outstanding.
I have to get some because I love fragrance.
don't tell me. I don't know.
Bang, zoom, fireworks.
I like the Chinese balls where you do that and they don't touch. I do that with my testicles.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow.
Wow. Wow. How you doing, man?
Hey, Jimmy.
It's good to see you, Russell Peters, man.
My friends call me the Teeb, and that includes you. Today I'm filling in for...
What did I do?
Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest at this particular time.
You've been in over 150 movies.
Now, you were just asking me if I could see you, and I can see you.
Hello, I'm Patrick Bateman, and you must be Cato.
Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right? Tell me about the
Yo, look who I'm with.
No, it's not the fuck you mean.
Do you see Young Fly?
Yes, sir.
Yo.
So you have
empirical, we
have inferential, we have subjective.
Okay, I don't know anything about a ladle. I know what it is.
You were the prime. I beg your pardon.
Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about solipsism. And it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless.
Objective and the way they go about evidence is sort of circular.
Good. Should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great. You got your what are you eating there?
Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes.
I'm eating all the healthy things my wife is making for me lately. We've been on what I call the we've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened a number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that. Yeah.
You have to let me ask the question.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence.
And if Pitbull would be a pit too.
How do they know which name goes first?
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Hey, showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Yeah, I became infatuated with art. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.
You've been in over 150 movies.
Yeah.
Tell me about the
We're not like, it's not a tell. That would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what I'm talking about.
No, Lethal Weapon in 1987.
Well, I'm a ladle. I don't cook. I don't know.
Because I live under. And,
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking about?
Because I live under the main system. And
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. Yeah.
Logical, subliminal now information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
We did Comedy Showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes. All right.
This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects.
Yes. All right. Here we go.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
An interdisciplinary analysis of sound.
Predicated on linguistics, language,